Hey, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you all how to download Summertime Saga for absolutely free on your iOS or Android device, guys. So you're going to get the full game downloaded on your mobile device for free with the latest updates as well. No jailbreak or root needed at all for this, and you're going to get the full game. So I'm going to show you guys all how to download it for absolutely free. As you can see, I have the game. It's really easy to do and should take us no more than like 5 minutes or so. So follow my instructions until the end of the video, and you'll be able to download Summertime Saga for free. Now the first step, guys, is if you're on an iOS device, we're going to have to go into settings and go into general and just make sure that the background app refresh is turned on. So, once you're in settings, find general, go to background app refresh and just make sure it's turned on to Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're on Android, you could skip this step as it's not required on there. Or I don't even think it's on there, guys, so don't worry about it if you're on Android. Now, once we've done that, we're going to open up our browser and we're going to go to the website. And you should see right there, guys, Summertime Saga free download. Tap on it, tap start injection, and now we just gotta wait for this to load. So give this about like 15 seconds or so, and it Alright, guys, so we're going to be taken to this page right here that's going to say, please follow and complete the instructions of the offers below to finish the download process. Not two, my bad, guys. You actually have to do all the offers that you see on this list. But don't worry, it's really easy to do. Like, each app takes about like 30 seconds to a minute to do, and they're all free. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with it just to show you guys an example. So, you click on one of the apps, read the instructions exactly as it says. So this app is telling us to go ahead and download it from the App Store and then run it for about 30 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. And once you do one app, guys, you're going to want to head back, do a second one, then do the third one, fourth one, until you've completed all of them. Usually there's about 3 to 4 apps. And yeah, they're all really easy to do though. Like I said, they take 30 seconds to a minute to do each. So I'm going to head back now and do a second app because, I just did one. So yeah. But I'm not going to do all the apps though because I don't want to make this tutorial too long for you all. So bear with me, guys, but I just want to show you all an example of how you would do this yourself when you guys do it after you watch this video. So after you've done after you've done all the apps from that list, you're pretty much done, and Summertime Saga will be downloaded, and now you can go ahead and download it and start playing for free. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you still need help though, let me know in the comments below and I'll try my best to help you guys out, and thank you very much for watching, guys. Peace out.